Lastly, we head into the post-exile. How does God use Esther to save his people without explicit mention of himself? Well, Esther's story occurs in Persia during the late 14th century BCE when the Israelites were finally able to return from the exile. To give a little bit of backstory, Esther was an orphan taken in by her uncle Mordecai. She essentially wins a beauty contest to become the next queen and utilizes her unique position as a way to protect her Jewish people and heritage. She risks her life hiding her Jewish identity in a time of persecution and approaches the king without being summoned, which could be followed with death. The Jews are hated and threatened with a massacre, but Esther's faithfulness and willingness to serve delivers them from death. While God is not explicitly mentioned in this story, he works behind the scenes in times when Esther insists upon fasting and demonstrates how to live devotedly in a secular world. We see where God can bring glory to himself through someone else and save his people.